Okay?
Oh my God!
So,
Kinakabahan ako.
the same thing, we call on the first runner-up. And then, of course, the remaining candidates will be Miss St. Ives 2008. First runner-up is